Quarantine, day 9, Tuesday, March 24th. We had to come back to the abandoned house in the woods. Our lean-to fell over. It got attacked by a bear. We got to go in and make sure we have enough space to move all our things in. Come on in. Found this awesome room, but it's not finished. So I got to bring all the stuff from our lean-to. We're going to bring some blankets. It seems like the width is 8 feet and the length is 14 feet. If I want to cover 3/4 of the floor with my blankets, and my blankets cost $2 per square foot, how much money am I going to spend at the store to cover this? What up, my quarantine people? Back at it again. Let's get right into it with our sides check. Hopefully that bear in the woods didn't scare you too much. It was very frightening to me. And so I know my statement is going to say, I will spend, right, blank dollar bills, y'all, at the store, right? So I'm looking for I'm looking for anything about money or what I'm spending. So when I go back and identify, I had to identify a few different things. It told me that I was doing $2 per square foot, which means I need to identify anything about area as well because square feet is area. So my width was 8 feet, or about 8 feet. My length was about 14 feet, okay? And then I know that I was going to cover 3/4 of the area with the rug. And then, of course, the money was $2 per square foot, or $2 for each, or for every square foot, it was going to cost me $2. I know I'm looking for anything about money, okay? And so at the end of this, my answer needs to be in money, but we got a couple steps to get there, okay? So first of all, what am I spending money on? I'm spending money on a rug, okay? And it told me that I was going to cover 3/4 of the area with a rug. So this is a fraction model to begin with, okay? You could have done it in a different order, that's fine. And I know that I am going to do 3/4 of this, and that is what I'm going to go by, okay? Now the thing is, I have to find my area first because I know I'm covering 3/4 of it, but I don't know what my area is. Let's go to a scrap paper real quick. And my plan for drawing, or for area or perimeter, is not a tape diagram. It's just to draw and label, okay? We know, remember, the space inside I'm trying to cover, okay? It's going to be 14 feet is my length and 8 feet is my width. My area formula that you learned all the way back in 3rd grade, or adults, whenever you learned it, is area equals length times width. So I'm going to be doing 14 times 8, which my area is going to be 112 feet squared, or square feet, however you want to do it, right? But that's the work I'm going to show to help me find the area. Now I know that my area is 112 square feet, or feet squared. Now I can do my fraction because now I know my total and I'm looking for my 3 equal pieces. I have 112, I need to divide that by 4. When I do 112 divided by 4, that means each of my fourths is going to be 28, right? And I wanted to know how much I'm spending on my rug. I'm spending $2 per square foot. Now when I had my 3 groups of 28, that gives me an area of 84 feet squared that I need to cover with a rug, okay? Now my next piece of information was, for each square foot, it cost me $2. So now I'm going to do a separate tape diagram, okay? It's not going to be the same size. It's completely separate. And I know that I have 84 groups, okay? Now I'm not going to draw 84 groups, but I'm going to draw equal groups here, or as equal as possible. And so I have 84, 84 feet squared, and for each of those square feet, it's costing me $2, okay? And I want to know my total amount of money, so I have 84 groups of 2, right? Which would be a multiplication or repeated addition, okay? So we're going to use multiplication as groups of. And when I do 84 times 2, that gives me 168. So my total amount of money I spent on 3/4 of the area, if I was doing $2 per square foot, is $168. So at the store, I will need to spend $168. Some of you are asking a very important question. How can you go to the store if you're under quarantine? I'll just order from Amazon. All right, Amazon's considered a store, so don't worry about it, okay? But even when I do that, I'm going to wash my hands. I'm not going to touch my face. And if I'm feeling sick, I won't even go outside to get the box. I'll send my kids out. Only one of them because one of them can't walk. All right? As always, please like and subscribe to the video. Join us tomorrow. You're going to love it. It's going to be awesome. Stay safe. Do math. I'm out.